Body testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I got me a microphone and beatbox here. Hello. As I'm back. Sorry, cut out that opening. Cut out. Looks like my energy was too much for my laptop. But hello everyone. This is of course Chimaoge here. You can also call me Maoge, and welcome to ChimaogesComments. And this will be a quick video about cleaning your house with rubbing alcohol. But welcome here everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also follow wherever you watch this. But anyway, here's the video. So quickly, this video is just about cleaning your house with rubbing alcohol. It's just about cleaning your house with rubbing alcohol. And the purpose of this video is simply to help you improve sanitation and your health. Okay. So let me just explain that. This is something I've been doing that's revolutionized my life. So there's a lot of common household cleaners today with mystery doo-doo in them. You don't know what it is. It can cause all sorts of health problems. So instead of using that, use rubbing alcohol. So what you should do is go to your local store, buy rubbing alcohol. They sell both the 70% rubbing alcohol and the 90% rubbing alcohol. Buy them both. Use the 70% rubbing alcohol for cleaning places where you'll eat, like say your kitchen area, other than the sink. Should you use, yes, other than the sink, I am right. Use the 90% rubbing alcohol in your sink, because sinks are pretty dirty, and then also use 90% rubbing alcohol in your bathroom, and then additionally use 90% rubbing alcohol to spray areas where pests might come. So like the edges of the door and around your house. Other than that, use 70%. Rubbing alcohol, any substance that can clean can potentially do damage, but the damage rubbing alcohol will do to you is very minimal, unless you completely overuse it, you drink it or something. I remember once in college, I drank some bourbon that I looked at later, it was 70% rubbing alcohol, or 70% alcohol. And then later, I looked in the store, I realized the rubbing alcohol was also 70% alcohol. So I was like, wow, that was dangerous. I did not know that it was that proof. But anyway, I don't drink anymore. I'm never a big drinker. I only did it in social settings in college. And really, I thought about it, talked to spirits. Really, that was just a cleanse. Because again, drinking, it's not inherently bad if people overdo it. That's another big video. But the point is, it's better to do herbs. So if you're going in herbs like turmeric, so if you're going out to party, just get a shot of turmeric. Don't drink too much alcohol. Really, if you need to drink, it will be to cleanse. I don't need to do it. Just in that environment I was in, because I went to college at Harvard, they don't have many good herbs up there, and also I didn't know about these things. It's kind of just a gut feeling. Basically, when there's a lot of dirt, I need to use something to cleanse. But anyway, one point of that, don't drink anything that's 70% alcohol. But anyway, when it comes to the rubbing alcohol, right, put it in a spray bottle and also add essential oils. So some good essential oils you can use, for example, are orange essential oil, lemon essential oil, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus oil. Those are just 4 examples. You mix it in with the rubbing alcohol, because there's no reason to just spray the rubbing alcohol by itself. You should absolutely add in essential oils, because that'll give it an extra layer of clean. And then just spray it around your house and then mop the area or wipe with a cloth or paper towel. It's very simple. It'll clean up everything. It'll reduce the amount of toxins in your house. It's revolutionary. It's really that simple. It is really that simple. And then of course also whenever you're cleaning, also pray before and after the prayer, or before and after when you clean, to get rid of any negative energy and demons, because dirt and filth, disease comes from multiple sources. Probably the biggest single source in the world today is actually demons. I know a lot of you are atheists. Some of you. A lot of you are also stupid for various reasons. Maybe you listen to your pastor too much. It's weird. Christians always scream about demons, but then when someone else talks about demons in a practical way, my pastor didn't tell me that. Anyway, the point is, I know a lot of you will be shocked to hear about demons causing disease. I'll do a longer video on that. But long story short, demons are in the air. They're also in a lot of smaller organisms, so-called bacteria, also so-called viruses that mess things up. So you want to get rid of those. Prayer helps with that. But then also if you get rid of the smaller organisms, because again, what I'm saying, it even dovetails with you know, so-called science and all that. So I'm not here saying you know, small organisms don't contribute to disease. That's stupid. Anyway, I'm just saying that's an extra thing to do. But long story short, the main point of this video is rubbing alcohol. I can do a video on how to use prayer to clean as well in the future. But anyway, that's it. So what can my audience do when I'm doing these quick videos? I've decided to go kind of point by point so you get the point quickly and clearly. Because right now I'm speaking randomly. I'm not speaking the standard way of speaking. I have a video coming out. I've been working on it for a while. I'll explain that, and then I'll have in the process of that video I'll explain, and then there'll be another video where I'll say more. Well, I'll talk about the standard way of speaking in more detail. Right now I'm speaking the random way or the hell way. It's not a bad thing. Somebody just need to play. But anyway, remember, hell is an evil place, but it has a place. Hell is in your heart. It's complicated. Anyway, but we're in the world. Don't act like you're in hell. And again, we have Trump running around out here. Anyway, so oh, did it freeze? Nope. Okay, we good. Anyway, so what can my audience do about what I just said? Just apply what I just said. To say it again, just put rubbing alcohol in a bottle. Add essential oils. Also add soap. That's another thing I said. If you want to get rid of grime, add soap. Spray it around. You can mop and wipe, and that's a good way to clean. Anyway, thank you all so much. Just gonna close out quickly here and then add one thing. The better, the mercy. Check out my post about the thing, one of the things. But anyway, yeah, thank you again. Share this video with everyone you know. Like it, follow me, subscribe, everything. Join my Patreon. You know, you can subscribe to me there monthly. Also, you can donate on Venmo, CashApp, and PayPal. It helps me a lot. And you know, I'm still in a tough financial situation that I've mentioned many times before. I'm on the brink of getting out, but I need your help. And then also, even once I'm out, the money will help me do more things, invest more into the business, and just do things for the world generally. So you know. And then again, also consistent sources of income. It's good to be alive. If I'm not alive, I can't do this. So anyway, I hope that helped you a lot. And the bear I'm going to add is do not vote. Do not vote. I'm in the United States of America right now, the so-called United States of America. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. Shout out to everyone in Atlanta. I'm recording this at, right now it's 11:30 p.m. on November 3rd, 2024. The United States presidential election will be on Tuesday, November 5th. I just want to add that my recommendation is to not vote. I've talked a lot at length about my political philosophy, both here on ChimaogesComments, but then also on ChimaogesComments America. Check that out. Before I just emphasize that whatever you do, don't vote Democrat. Again, I'll never... Lord have mercy. Do we have Republicans? Lord have mercy. Only Republican I support is Sharice Lane. Shout out to her. Other than that, I don't support no Republicans. But anyway, there's some minority Republicans that are not bad people. So because of that, before I emphasize not voting Republican, also I just thought it didn't need to be talked about, specifically when I was talking to black people. But long story short, I'll go into the details in a future video. Really a video that'll come out around the same time as this one on ChimaogesComments America. Check it out. It will be called My Thoughts on the United States of America's Presidential Election. My thoughts on the United States of America's presidential election. I'll go into more depth. Long story short, I think it's just best to not vote at all. I think I overthought it before a little bit with just not overemphasized, but emphasizing specifically don't vote Democrat. I just think don't vote for any of them. Trump, I need to talk about him. Spirits told me that some people thought I was a Trump supporter because I didn't go on and on about how much I hated him. So I'll do it a bit more just to drive the point home. I mean, Trump is the hell reincarnation. Check out my video, Trump is the end goal of the Ekwensu Karataza. I talked about that. He's the hell reincarnation, hates black people, all this stuff. You've seen it. Let's look at so yeah, Trump, terrible. It's been wilding. The rest of the Republicans, terrible. But the Democrats are overall no better. Kamala is an individual, not as bad as Trump, but she's never done anything of substance for black people, people in general. The rest of the Democrats don't. They'll just do what they always do, and just not help anyone. So really, we need a total reform of the system. We cannot just keep voting for one side that will not help us. Because both of the parties at the end of the day are very similar now. They've gotten much more similar over the last decade or so. So long story short, don't waste your time, don't vote. I'll go into more detail about why it's bad, but I just recommended no vote. Even the third parties, none of that is good enough. We need a full reform. But anyway, that's my addendum to this video about cleaning your house with hand sanitizer. Cleaning your house with hand sanitizer will help you a lot more than voting. So anyway, thank you and goodbye. Okay. So, addendum, just wanted to quickly fix something. At the end of that clip there, I said clean your house with hand sanitizer. I meant rubbing out alcohol again. Obviously there's alcohol and hand sanitizer, but don't just spray hand sanitizer everywhere. Get the actual rubbing alcohol. Get you both the 70%, the 90%. Go crazy. Rubbing alcohol. Okay. By the way, fun fact, in my language, most people now call it Igbo. It should be called Asusu. Anyway, I'll do a video on that in the future. I know I'll get a lot of people pumping, but alcohol, most people now will call it manya. Probably say manya. Because people have a tendency in my language today to go high. It destroys your throat. It's not good. We have a lot of rigid people who think that however they learned the language in school or whatever they're hearing in the village in 1950 or 1970 is objectively how it should be spoken. I mean, we've been around a lot longer than that. People, I mean, your name is Paul now, or Magnus, not infallible by traditional standards. Anyway, point is, most people now will call mine or something really called okie. That's alcohol. It's also the elder, basically. I'll go into that. But anyway, clean with rubbing alcohol, not